Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Chris Alpha. In this video, my friend and I will present the criticism on the research article. But before we get started, I would like to say that we are in 2021 now. We have already passed 2020. Also, we have been staying at home almost for a year. Studying, working, praying, and another thing we have done at home are not easy thing, right? Can be said that 2020 had a lot of sad memories, start from coronavirus cases that followed the economic downturn to the case of racism that we know. Yeah, racism has been side by side with us for a long time. There are many literary works in modern era that had discussed about racism, and it becomes an evidence if the racism had already been exist, such as giving social class to the citizens of a particular country or even slavery. Well, the research article my group chose, entitled Civilizing the Old South through Margaret Mitchell's Gone with the Wind, we found this research article in Lingua Web that managed by Faculty of Art and Language in Semarang State University. Siti Rasyah, the name of the author of the research article, raised the civilizing in the Old South in a novel written by Margaret in 1936. That's why this research article is fascinating to read. Let me give you a little bit information about the novel, Gone with the Wind, or as known as GWTW. The novel is an American novel which recorded the imagined experience of black slavery and the Civil War in the United States of America, pre and post 1865, based on the eye of the white Southerner. And it considered a novel that focuses on a romantic story between two main white characters. They are Scarlett O'Hara and Red Butler, that took place during the American Civil War and Reconstruction. The author, Margaret Mitchell, provides a very detailed description of life in the Old South from 1861 to 1874. She also describes the character of an aristocratic society that mostly took place in Atlanta, Georgia, which makes us surprised to this romantic and historical fiction novel, Gone with the Wind, because it's considered to be the best-selling novel with thousands of copies sold every year, which since become one of the most successful novels of all time. That was a great novel, right? Well, based in this interesting thing that I said, we decided to choose this research article for criticizing. Okay, the next explanation will be conveyed by my friends. They concern about strength and weakness, so please watch this video until the end.
My name is Ivan Farizal Huda. In this part of video, I will tell about the strength of the article, the clear and strong analysis, the novelty of the method, theory, or finding. The analysis. The article tried to depict the kind of civilization in the Old South, based on the novel titled Gone with the Wind by Margaret Mitchell in 1936. Gone with the Wind is an American novel which records the imagined experience of black slavery and civil war in the United States of America, based on the eye of white Southerner. The method of the analysis. The research used qualitative research to explore the novel by hegemony perspective. This allowed this study to show how the discourse of slavery in Gone with the Wind links to historical evidence with literary work in order to reinvent the past experience and address the ideology behind the story. This article used analysis of presentation in concreting the symbol appeared in this novel. There are three depictions that made the Old South glorious based on the analysis of Gone with the Wind. First is plantation and natural landscape. Second is Southern Belle and romantic hero. And the last is black-white relation. So first finding, plantation, and natural landscape. The landscape of southern plantation that is not only linked to the rich natural resource but also the social status. The plantation was represented through Tara and 12 oak. They were illustrated as symbol of greatness of the plantation owner, with a large house, castle, horses, slaves who worked on this plantation, indicate that it was the source of permanence and social status. Gone with the Wind also tries to build a good image of southern plantation as a symbol of honor, natural resource, and lifestyle, negating the stereotypical image of it as the resource of black slave, suffer, and mistreatment. Second finding, the Southern Belle and Romantic Hero. Gone with the Wind also represents the Southern Belle and Romantic Hero who symbolize with knight and ladies fair in the Old South. Women in the Old South express a lot of symbol, like a pretty picture of fashion, attitude, and politeness. The supreme example of the Southern lady in Gone with the Wind is Scarlett's mother, Ellen O'Hara. She was described as a beautiful and remote, generous and moralistic. She cured the sick, soothes the anxious, and resolved the complex. And the last finding is black-white relation. The division between race is probably the most heated topic surrounding the Civil War, as it was the main cause of it. In Gone with the Wind, Margaret Mitchell's attitude towards black people is an accurate portrayal of prevailing white attitudes in the time when the theme was set. In the antebellum era, the slaves were viewed as happy people, content with what their master bidding, while their white master were strict yet kind, and rarely to take beating as a form of punishment.
The method and theory appear well in the analysis dealing with the legitimacy preservation, said 1978 PX, pointing out that there are able to establish the legitimacy of the superiority of the colonizer white to the inferiority of the colonized people and culture black. It means that the cultural hegemony is viewed as an endless practice that continues to be constructed in colonial and post-colonial discourse. Hegemony is the entire complex of practical and theoretical activity with which the ruling class not only justifies and maintains its dominance, but manages to win the active consent of those over whom it rules. Gramsci, 1971 and 2009. The study utilized the analysis of presentation, Hall 1997-15. In concentrating the symbols appeared in this novel, meaning produced by the practice, the work of representation, it is constructed through signifier, example, meaning, producing, practice. Strong abstract. The strong abstract is the discourse of white colonialism to legitimate their power as a ruler in the society is continued to be constructed in post-colonial discourse, as this novel appeared in the 20th century.
My name is Nelul Octaviani, and this time I would like to explain the weakness in this article. So the weakness in this article is about the argument of the author is unclear and also weak. The argument of the author is weak and unclear as in the sentence which mention three descriptions of the Old South. There are three descriptions that make the Old South triumphant based on the analysis of Gone with the Wind. The first is the plantation and natural landscape. The second is the Belle of the South and the romantic hero. And the last is black-white relationship. This argument is unclear and weak because this sentence is not accompanied by an explanation as to why this tree description is the reason for the triumph of the Old South. And then the option expressed by the author is also weak because it doesn't include the name and the origin of argument itself. Okay, the next weakness in this article is about the writing. In this article, it's a little bit complicated to read because it has two reading topics in one page, especially in result and discussion section. This makes it difficult for the reader to read and makes it too ineffective because they have to go back and forth to read the next topic. And the way the author puts the quote is also a little messy, so it makes the reader confused when reading it. Okay, the next is about invalid findings. The quotation they are listed are inappropriate and some are cut off so that the reader doesn't understand the meaning of the data or quotation provided by the author.
Hi, I'm Siva, and in here I would like to give some information about the weakness. Number 1 is the method and theory do not support the analysis, but in this qualitative research, explore good with the wind from the hegemony perspective, through the representation of the harmonious life in South seen in the beautiful appearance of white men and women. The harmonious relationship between black slaves and white masters, gender, the rich nature of the South, and social stratification confirm that life in the Old South in the antebellum is a picture of harmonious life. These three depictions that made the Old South glorious based on the analysis. The first is plantation and natural landscape. The second is Southern belle and romantic hero, and the last is black-white relation. And the next is the quotation do not support the analysis. There are some quotations that do not support the analysis. The first is in the plantation and natural landscape. When she rose at least and saw again the black ruins of 12 oaks, her head was raised high, and something that was youth and beauty and possession tenderness had gone out of her face forever. What was past was past. Those were words that were dead. The lazy luxury of the old days was gone, never to return. 12 oaks rise before her eyes as it had once stood, rich and proud symbol of a race and a way of living. Number 2 is Scarlett never discovered just what business brought him to Atlanta. Number 3 is suddenly she thought of Frater Butler and calm displayed her fears. Why had not she thought of him this morning when she had been tearing about like a chicken with its head off? She hated him, but he was strong and smart, and he was not afraid of the Yankees. And the last is, in the end, what will happen will be what has happened whenever a civilization breaks up. The people who have brains and courage come through, and the ones who haven't are wind out.
There are no suggestions that refer to this research article, but I just want to say that somebody often does quoting some statement, opinion, or definition from the expert when they in progress to do research study. So far, the author of this research article has loaded a lot of quotes that add clarity to the article content. As my friend said before, that the quotations that are listed in this research article are inappropriate and some are cut off, but it doesn't matter as long as the author also provides the source from where she quoted the statement. Will be the plus point to the author because things like those are very necessary for writing to avoid misleading information. Okay, by reading this article entitled Civilizing the Old South through Margaret Mitchell's Gone with the Wind, we become more aware of the civilizing system that exists in the Old South and has an overview of life there during Civil War and Reconstruction. Indirectly, this article provides a glimpse into the history of society through the novel Gone with the Wind. Moreover, as literature students, we need to know a lot about history and study about history, as said by Indonesia First President Insinyur Soekarno, jas merah, jangan sekali-sekali meninggalkan sejarah. And thank you for watching our video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.